Hello. I'm going to show you a really easy way to get the tarnish off of copper. So here's this copper bracelet, and on camera it may look pretty good, but in person it's pretty tarnished. It got kind of dull. So for this trick, all you really need is some white vinegar and some salt. So check this out. Doesn't even have to be that much. Just a little bit of salt into our chemical mixture here. Some white vinegar. Let's see if we can get it not all over the place. Basic white vinegar, and that's it. Now watch how quickly this changes. Put the bracelet in and let it sit a little bit. Oh wow. You can already see a difference. Sometimes the water almost looks a little cloudy, like something already happened. Does it look better? I think it does. Just to get it mixed, I'll take it out and put it back. But look at that. Now it looks like a brand new shiny penny. Yep. Then you could just rinse it under water, of course. Yeah, look at the difference. See in the light? And what's good about this technique is, unlike some kind of a cloth or a polish, this will get all into every little nook and cranny and contour of the chain. So that's it. That's how you can polish copper.